Mr. Sandwich Reads. I am, of course, Mr. Sandwich, and I want to go over a little tool. This goes out to Mr. Rocco and Ms. Torella. We were having a conversation this morning about, well, if we scan a book, we want to be able to scan text, but use the read-aloud feature. And so I looked into that, and there is a way to do that, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I will warn you, though, that the reading is very robotic. It loses what's called prosody, which is like that intonation, that fluidity that we usually read with. But nonetheless, if a student needs something read aloud, here's how we can do that with just about any text. So what I did see on my calendar that a week from now on March 31st, it's Cesar Chavez Day. And I recently got this leveled reader about Cesar Chavez. So I scanned this. Let's open up, and it sends to my Google Drive. I almost said Gmail, but it's my Google Drive, which then sends to my email saying, hey, your scan is ready. So I click on that. It's loading. So this is just the text I chose. In particular, we were talking about, we had Howard Zinn's Young People's History of the United States. We wanted excerpts from that. All right, so we've got the text. And I'm going to go to, now I could go to read and write for Google, and there's an attachment, or there's an extension there that allows me to get the read aloud. But the extension is just the Orbit. So I'm realizing that the shortcut here is just go to OrbitNote. Looks like this right here, screenshot reader, is what we want. And let's go, actually, I want to go down to the next page. So where's my cursor? Just give me my cursor back. I'm so tech savvy until I'm not. Here we go. So let's go to the first page. Oh, and I see this did not scan the way I wanted it to, but that's a whole other issue. Tried to go wide on that, and it didn't seem to work. But let's see here. First page. All right, and you see it's kind of loading down here. It'll take a moment, but then it should just start reading it out loud.
Do you enjoy eating fruits and vegetables? Did you know that every year
enjoy eating fruits
and
vegetables?
Travel around the country harvesting these crops? Migrant workers move from place to place.
All right, so that's how you do it. OrbitNote seems to you can scan any text, put it in there, open up with OrbitNote, and use that square. It's this square here with the cursor. It says screenshot reader. So that's what you want. Also, let's just take a look real quick. If I open with read and write for Google, you'll see that same extension. Yeah, it seems to just open right up to Orbit. So I don't know. That seems to be the trick there, is that OrbitNote. So Mr. Rocco, Ms. Torella, I hope that helps. Just another little tool for the toolbox. And I remember when I was a kid, I could not buy, I used to ask my dad for grapes. I really liked grapes. And I guess there was a boycott against grapes because of the farm workers were underpaid and just treated to harsh conditions. So my father was saying no grapes at that time. And I think that was in large part due to the work of Cesar Chavez, who was really looking out for workers' rights, in particular migrant workers' rights. All right, hope you enjoyed. Hope that's helpful to you teachers out there. And yeah, keep on teaching. Teachers keep on teaching. Rockers keep on rocking. All right, take it easy.